Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. Better not swivel this chair. This is the first time I've used this green screen background thing, so pardon me if I mess this part up a little bit. But this is my official entry into the senior tribute build. I didn't get to know him as well as many of you all did, because I'm still pretty new to the modeling community here on YouTube. But one of our first conversations, I just happened to click his little icon because I was trying to figure out what that was, and I seen that picture and it really struck me. It reminded me a lot of many of my mom's paintings. She likes to paint that kind of scenery. And we had been chatting a little bit, messaging, and that's when I knew that he was a pretty good guy, because he was taking the jokes just as fast and hard as I was giving them. But every time I think of him, I think of this picture that you guys see behind me over here, all around. And like I said, that struck me. My mom has made a lot of paintings like this of an old barnyard that's sitting in a field in Kentucky or Indiana. It's one of her favorite things to paint. And there it was. It was like he almost knew her. So to me, that was my biggest bond to Senior. And so for my tribute, I'm going to do this old 53 Holler pickup truck. I'm not going to do the trailer, but I want to do the pickup truck and have it so that it's looking like the one that's in his yard. I don't know if I'll get the diorama part of it done, but I want to get the truck done. I want it to look similar to the truck in his portrait. And I think he'd like that. I've got my decals ordered, and they should be here from STS pretty soon. So those are going to get weathered as well. But this is it. Sorry for the late entry, but life is going on. Transmissions need replaced, alternators need replaced, the house needs fixed, and then there's the Tinker Dogs. But hopefully I'll get this done soon. Hopefully before the USACC group build starts in. And I think that'll be nice. Anyways, come back soon, see us again, and I'll post some updates once we get started with this. Keep modeling and have fun from Pappy Tinkers.